When it comes to homemade treats, few things compare to the magic of Avalanche Cookies. Gooey marshmallows, rich chocolate chips, and a chewy, golden-baked base. It's everything I love in one blissful bite. And the best part? They're easier to make than you think. So grab your apron, and let's bake something sweet together. Here's what you'll need for this decadent recipe. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of softened butter, 1 cup of brown sugar, half a cup of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of chocolate chips, and 1 cup of mini marshmallows. Be sure your butter is at room temperature. This helps everything mix smoothly. You can also try swapping in white, milk, or dark chocolate for a personal twist. Start by preheating your oven to 350 Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius. In a large bowl, cream together the softened butter, brown sugar, and granulated sugar. Mix until it's light and fluffy, about 2 to 3 minutes. Now, add the eggs, one at a time, followed by a teaspoon of vanilla. Slowly mix in the flour. Don't overmix. This keeps the cookies soft and tender. Then, gently fold in the chocolate chips and mini marshmallows. Be careful not to crush the marshmallows too much. Use a cookie scoop or spoon to drop mounds of dough onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. The dough will be sticky, and that's perfectly fine. For deeper flavor and better texture, refrigerate your dough for 30 minutes before baking. Bake the cookies for 10 to 12 minutes. You're looking for golden edges and a soft, gooey center. Don't overbake. They'll continue to cook slightly after coming out of the oven. Let them rest on the baking sheet for 5 minutes before transferring to a wire rack. And there you have it. Decadent Avalanche cookies, fresh from the oven, crispy on the edges, melty in the middle, and packed with flavor. Want to make them your own? Try these variations. Add crushed Oreos, chopped nuts, or mint chocolate chips. For a s'mores twist, mix in graham cracker crumbs and more marshmallows, or add a dash of cinnamon or cayenne for a spicy surprise. Store your Avalanche cookies in an airtight container. They'll stay fresh for up to a week. Or freeze them to enjoy later. Just let them thaw, or pop one in the microwave for a few seconds of warm, melty bliss. Pair them with hot chocolate for the ultimate cozy treat, or serve on a dessert platter with fruit and ice cream. Better yet, invite your family or friends to bake with you. It's a fun way to create sweet memories. One cookie at a time. Avalanche cookies are more than just a dessert. They're a moment of joy, a cozy indulgence, and a reminder that the best things in life are often baked with love. Be sure to check out this video for more.